bakansara ba kanso ya district ya Kamwenge okucwamwa akakiiko akarokugaba emirimo kukija omukanso kwetonganaho no babire bari omukukiika
aho murababona hatiriya kukiika ho kuganda na mnoga hamirimeje mwiremu wata mpurundi unahora bagamba achawe ina muganda no kugamba kuba okufuze emirimo kugira ubuzima.
Through Mr. Speaker, as our Lord Bishop already, I believe Christians believe in him and they will be open to go to him and give evidence. As council and other members, it is our job to save this. Anyone who loves this mighty district will join in by trying to bring evidence. We don't believe in rumors.
Tukashaba witu Mr. Chairman twakushaba ngu otwele service commission committee tutamenya tumanye where the problem is. Ekiteeso kyalema
akakiiko akarikugaba emirimo tikabasize kurebukaho omukanso egi bitu DC ahamize ko enshonga egi eri aha kukuratirwa.
RDC has endeavored, DC has endeavored, but really getting in the targets. Of course, for you as well as members, people come and complain. But when you invite these people to even to testify and tell the truth, no one will discuss the truth. So as we move forward, these are some of the things that are going to affect us one way or the other, which we must condemn.
Kanso egi ebiire ryeyo kuhayo hamwe no kureba oku district eyemerire kandi aba bahendiire no kurongora abeegi abajwekire district omu mpaka z'aha rurengo rw'ihanga ryona. Omuganda makuru abatura begomborra ya Buhumuro omu district ya Kagadi nibo beterire enduru omu office y'omuhwezi wa RDC ahabwe emishoro ebatirweho aho Emmanuel Twebaze owegomborra ya Buhumuro ari kugira ngo egomborra tibineho kuta office nikwe kanso kushitama kandi bahingwize kubura mutura omugomborreji orya higuriye emyaka 18 ashashure emitwaro 2 ebase kurugamu sente ezirayombeke office zegomborra.
Sectoral committees recommended ngo tufureteho umuringo gufuna makasente so twikirizana ngureka tushoroza kasente bate emitwaro 2
nditari kuzishashura mu bicweka abanza ashashura umutwaro yamara agaruka akoreki anakumarira n'umutwaro.
Bo bakansara barukujwekere gomborra aha district nibagira ngo bakarabura bebembeza aba ngo itekeri terre mu mateka bitu barema
mukanso kabormu
ejeji jwerheji
yari
eje mukwezi kwa katano
okabormu
nkaba ndimu
akabaru chief
nabagira mureke system zemeze kandi muzikwate system zagazo kama bazo tuge mu Rwanda
nangwa ninyomwe owabase no kwimkumbu izobe ryo nkayuba katamani namba ebyinje bitukozire ha bitakama turi kubikora bikakanga hihaho bitakamarira
tukanza kushoroza esete zo kombe kishomera hari badyimusa ryaguha musinje eze zasigiraho batatwereke accountability eze za bamara bashyira esete zo gukora urutindo mpamba nazo bazitwarushire kashanje aho zakozwe naho batatwereka ati kwa leta recho twagamba ngo nazo izaza kuba kazazindi.
Benjamin Tumusime omuhwezi wa RDC omu district egi eya Kagadi ayemerizo mushorogo
ejo council resolution ekaba etebuzibweho chief taragire ha district akebuza abakuru
basoka twenda no kuyomba habwezo sente na harufu hariho nayemerire nabagire sente mukoreki muzireke hati mwarebe biri kukoraki ebirugaruka ho ntabibagambire bakansarazi barenga ribare deputy speaker kaboriho nabagira biraze kubaretera ubuzima nge hati tibwayije
egomborera takwebasa yerta kubasa kwemereraho ryarta kubasa gukora fundraising omburiyo bwishikire butarwo ku forcing abantu rishabe bar closing rigarukiye
Gasha kwa Anthony Twine na Thomas Tumwebaze.